The Anglia line, the Anglia train from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street, hurtling along at around 120 kilometers an hour. There's a river there with all the boats parked.
And canals?
Canal, yeah. It's an empty train, by the way.
Well, not that empty. There's still some people over there.
Okay. It's a train just going along at around 100 and somewhere between 120 to 130. Maybe slightly more. Oop, that's the canal. Sainsbury's. It's picked up speed again, so it's pretty much going at almost 140 now. See the trucks joining. Whoops, it's a crossing Anglia train again.
A flirt train.
It's a flirt train. That wasn't coupled up though.
Well, it's a 12 carriage long train. This train we are
See
on.
a small lake by there. They're crossing along.
So this train we are on is full
Tracks are
of.
changing now. There's another line coming up.
This train is full of 10 carriages. 2 5-car units coupled up together.
Oh, there's a station we're going to cross. We skipped.
And it's. Oh, another train again, the same as this one.
And
It's
there's a
coupled up
train
as
that
well.
side as well. It absolutely flew past that station. Didn't even brake or slow down or nothing. It's hurtling along towards London Liverpool Street train station from Stansted, London Stansted Airport.
Sound like you're happy, please.
They also, there's also the cross country serves Stansted Airport as well, along with the Anglia.
It's called Greater Anglia. And also, please don't forget to sound happy.
Okay. Oh look, we just bombed past the level crossing there, and we couldn't hear the train toot.
Because we're at the last carriage and it's soundproof.
Got some houses now. We left the rural part behind. There is some bushes on the other side, so you can see as we hurtle along. But from our window, it's all urban now. We see lots of houses, while on that side of the train we can see all bushes.
I just love sitting on the right because you can see other trains clearly.
We are actually approaching Tottenham Hale. That's the next stop. Tottenham Hale. So that's where you can see lots of factories, houses. We can change here for Victoria Line
Well, actually.
on the London Metro.
So wait,
We skip past another stop here now. Oops. The train to Stansted was stopped there. But we are absolutely bombing along.
Yeah, but we don't know if it was the Stansted train.
It was a 5-coach train.
Yeah, it was the same as this, except that this train is double the length.
As we can see the backside of houses now as we come along Tottenham Hale, and on the left side as usual still bushes and some little lakes and canals. This train is more or less empty. It's a nice carriage.
And believe it or not, but when we were rushing to get our favourite seats, this man, he let
Here
us.
we go, another
sit
station we literally skipped past
here.
at high speed.
Yeah, but you remember when we were trying to race for the seats? This kind man let us sit here.
Yes.
And that's why we're happy. Well, not
Got your
that's
favourite
that's
seat.
one of the reasons why we're happy. We are happy of today's trip and another flirt went by.
Yeah, that's another flirt train. We're on a flirt as well.
We're not on a flirt. This isn't a flirt.
Okay.
We have those type of flirt trains which pass by us right now in Wales as well. But they are much more shorter than the flirts in London.
I have to end this video at here. A nice little run. We are approaching Tottenham Hill.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.